said, I'm Dr. Lynne Celli, and I am the Dean of Graduate and Professional Education at LaSalle University in Newton, Massachusetts, in the United States of America. And my background is in leadership. I have been working in various roles in pre-K through higher education leadership, in teaching and learning for decades, and I continue to teach as well as to hold administrative positions. And my passion is leadership, but most importantly, transformational leadership and being innovative and proactive so that we are ever evolving in a growth mindset as leaders. Oh, of course I loved it. I wouldn't have gone back. I wouldn't have accepted to be the keynote. I wouldn't have been to so many that I had been to. I like the design. I like the fact that it's a global conference. We're a global world now. And the fact that Eurasia Terra and all of the subsidiaries of Eurasia embrace the fact that we're a global world. And you did that before the pandemic. You were proactive. The organization was proactive before the global mentality was even part of what we're doing all the time now. The global nature, the networked nature, the global and networked nature of our world right now is something that your organization is embracing. And I think it's what makes it unique. It makes it unique. And I said, humbled and privileged to be the keynote, humbled and privileged to be a part of the conference and to meet so many great people, and humbled and privileged to be on the peer review, to be on the advisory board, to be an eminent person, to be a fellow. All these roles that I have, I'm proud to represent the organization because I believe in the mission and vision of Terra. And, you know, it says it aims to bring the world together, researchers worldwide and professionals, and to encourage intellectual development. We're lifelong learners. We have to embrace that intellectual development. If we stop learning, we might as well stop being what we are professionally. We can't stop learning. I love the mission that you say you create opportunities for networking and collaboration. That can be done online or in person. Scholars, researchers, professionals, even just people who are there to listen. The next step may be that they decide to become a researcher. That's what we want. We want to be models. So I encourage people at those conferences who are listeners, people who will hear this posted, become a member. Even if you just start slowly with a listener as an online at an online conference. It's your words of working for the benefit of society and research. And most importantly, these are your words, your organization's words, for the spirit of sharing and mutual growth. That's who I am. I spoke about this already. The facilitator of the growth mindset. That is me. That is why I was drawn years ago to Terra, Eurasia and Terra, because of this mission statement. Thank you. My pleasure.